Hi guys, so today I will be showing you a hair tutorial on how to get these big, loose, voluminous curls using my babyliss Pro 1 1/4 curling iron. Also, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for more videos. So before we start off, I'm going to be using my Truss Miracle Leave-In Spray. Now this is going to work as a heat protectant and it's also going to diffuse any frizz. Anytime that you are using heat on your hair, it's always important to use a heat protectant, as well as when you put in that heat protectant, you want to make sure that you get a brush and run it all throughout the hair. That way it coats evenly. So when curling my hair, I always like my curls to go away from my face. And if you want to achieve this, you want to make sure that your curling iron is facing away from you, the clamp. So you want to make sure the clamp is facing towards the mirror and not towards you. You also want to make sure that you hold your hair there for about at least more than 5 seconds. And I'm also going to be leaving about 1 inch to 2 inches out on the end. I'm not going to curl the whole thing. So after curling the sections of the hair, I go in with my favorite hairspray, Kevin Murphy. And this is a light hairspray, so it's not too hard on the hair. And before I ruin the curls or brush through them, I will hit it with hairspray and I will leave them like that until I finish curling the rest of my hair.
My darling, I told you I'm not perfect man, but I promise I will never hurt you again. My darling, I told you I'm not perfect man, but I promise I will never hurt you again. My darling, I told you I'm not perfect man, but I promise I will never hurt you again. My darling, I told you I'm not perfect man, but I promise I will never hurt you again. darling, I told you I'm not perfect man, but I promise I will never hurt you again. My darling, I told you I'm not perfect man, but I promise I will never hurt you again. Will never hurt you again. Will never hurt you again.
So after I'm done curling the hair, I like to go in with my Kevin Murphy Shimmer Shine. I love this product because I lack a lot of shine in my hair, so when I curl it, I love to use this. And for my holy grail, my favorite product is the Kevin Murphy Bedroom Hair Texturizing Hairspray. This is what I use to get most of my volume. My hair is very flat, so usually I lift up some of my hair like this, and as you guys could tell, look at the instant volume that it gave me, and I kind of just run my hands through it, almost like a dry shampoo that I put it in, but I also just run it throughout the whole entire head. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed, and I hope that these curls and these products also work for you guys at home, and it makes it look like you just got your hair done and you get those big voluminous curls. But I will see you guys in my next video.